Hey, what's up, you guys? All right, so I am at Starbucks, and apparently they have a new Pink Keto Drink, and these are the original Pink Keto Drinks. And so let's do a taste test. Have you had one of these? Drop that down in the comments down below. It kind of tastes like a dairy, vanilla, watered down strawberry something. I don't know if you ever tried one of these, but this is a small. It's about $4.50. Not that awesome, and it may assist with ketosis in a pinch, but it won't put you in ketosis. The original Pink Keto Drink over here will put you in a therapeutic state of ketosis in 30 minutes. This one tastes like Fire Punch. This one tastes like raspberry lemonade. When it comes to the two, there's really no substitute. This is like a Nokia brick, and this is like an iPhone 8 when it comes to getting in ketosis. So I recommend, if you can plan ahead, put one of these cool packets in your purse, have it on the go, so that you don't end up somewhere at Starbucks drinking something that barely gets you in ketosis. And for the price, what you get, it's not worth it. You guys have an awesome day. Continue to keto on.